What's up everybody? In today's video I'm continuing my Disney Parks composition series that I ended up starting a little while back. I already completed 2 compositions so far, and this one's going to be focusing on Hollywood studios. This composition is going to be a little bit different from the previous 2, as I was able to incorporate the main icons into those compositions but couldn't quite find the images I wanted for this original idea. So instead I decided to go with more of a Hollywood blockbuster theme and decided to create a car chase scene instead. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and just as a friendly reminder, if you find any value in my videos or just enjoy watching them, a simple click of that like button does go a long way. It helps out this channel and I really appreciate it. So without further ado, thanks again for being here, and let's get started with the video. Enjoy. All right, for those that have made it to the finish line, thanks a lot for sticking around, much appreciated. And I just want to say, as is always the case with my compositions, I used to spend a little bit more time after I record everything, just kind of tweaking the final touches a little bit, so you don't always get to see every little bit of detail recorded, so that's why some things may look a little bit different with that final outcome. But nonetheless, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you joining me today, and until next time, please take care and hope to have you back soon. Have a good one, everyone.